Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 8 on PC with a PS4 controller. First, connect your PS4 controller to your PC. You can use a standard USB cable for a direct, wired connection, which is often the most reliable method. If you prefer wireless play, ensure your PC has Bluetooth enabled. You'll need a Bluetooth adapter if your PC doesn't have built-in Bluetooth. Make sure your controller is charged and ready to pair. Once connected, open Steam and go into Big Picture mode. This mode simplifies controller navigation. Access the Settings menu and find the Controller Settings option. Here, you must enable PlayStation configuration support. This tells Steam to recognize your PS4 controller properly. If you experience any drift or unresponsive buttons, consider calibrating your controller within these settings for optimal performance. With Steam configured, launch Tekken 8. Head straight to the game's options menu, usually found on the main screen. Look for the controller or input settings. Confirm that your PS4 controller is listed and recognized as the primary input device. This is crucial for the game to respond to your commands. Take a moment to customize your button mappings to suit your personal fighting style for maximum comfort and efficiency. If you encounter issues, first ensure your controller drivers and Steam client are fully updated. Outdated software can cause recognition problems. Also, close any unnecessary background applications that might conflict with your controller inputs or game performance. Sometimes, a simple PC restart can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your fights in Tekken 8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.